A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. Jesus ever say something and you not understand, but you're afraid to ask him what he mean? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not click the subscribe button yet, go ahead and click it now. And the notification bell too. Because you're not going to miss none of what's going on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 9 from verse 30 to verse 32. Jesus and him follower them left and passed through Galilee. Him never want nobody know where them there, cause him did a teach him follower them. Him tell them say, somebody I go sell out the man where God pick and give him over to people where hate him. Them a go kill him, but 3 days after that, him a go come back alive. But them never understand what him did mean, and them did afraid to ask him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.